Woman teacher Eishomero Akabura Primary School nagira ngu obwahati abashomesa hamwe na Abeegi nibakozesa emwe ikiretire ekinteki okweyongera kubatangaza nagira ngu nibena government ebase kutaho omushonga ebase kuhera amagara g'abana bato ebase kombeka kamina eri omubuteka.
At school we have many challenges, more especially sanitary. We lack toilets for teachers and pupils, more especially boys. We as teachers, we share the same toilet with pupils, which affects our privacy and at the same time people's privacy. So we request government to come in and help us with another toilet, help us and build for us another toilet.
Province biriho uri mukuru w'Eishomero rya Nyamufumura Primary School nagira ngu kamineji ekabe yita abana babiri esandi ibiri ezihuire obabiri bagire yo kweyamba biriho nayongeragira ngo habo kugira ngo hariho okweherera kona abashomesa nibatina kozesa kaminezi bashanga batanuka kozesa kamina ezabamurirana.
A challenge of having very few pit latrines at school, whereby girls are sharing the same pit latrine with boys. Even teachers also go there because they have nowhere to go. That one means we share latrine. The teachers, pupils share the same latrine. The latrine that we are sharing, it is also in a solid state. It is almost falling. The slab are almost falling. Anytime we are expecting something.
Kuri w'Eishomero agarukire yayoreka obuzibu oburiho ngo kubura oburaro bw'abashomesa amizi marungi ecyari kugira ngo ibintu bimwa bintu ebiri kuteganisa imikorere mirungi eyabeegi.
Water source amiza aha ndagarwa hari munonga utugata haseri anguto mbwenu nkabana bajya ngo bafutaha amizi eshahi ibintu zibere batakashikira. The challenge of staff quarters, they are very few, whereby teachers are sharing one house with 2 rooms. They share, and it's bad because you cannot even lock, because when you lock, you know that your friend is also coming. You cannot be free in your house. We need to have very many quarters where teachers can reside and teach effectively.
John Kachebezi or chairperson wa Parents Teachers Association Committee aha Eishomero rya Nyamufumura nagira ngo kamina eyabiririho enkuru ekombe kw'abazire mukandi jini y'abashomesa bintu bakozesa ngo kandi endijo ekabombekerwa abekanisa emyaka ebire hwire nkonka government teyinekera bombekire kurugira Kachebezi kamina eje kija yagwa habo kugira ngo bakabombekise ebintu ebyabiri bitari hamutindo unice cyaretire kamina eje yagwa mugarura na government ebase kutaha omushonga ebase kubahwera
tiristirirwe kandi latrines tizirukumara zimwe abwitaka kukindu kandi sinduka unganye n'amatsiko nko kubateraganisa ibintu bije korwa nitwa bazerestera mu mani gaitu cyakabiri academic tukakabere kabunji cyakashatu abana enrollment ninche abana 2020 nibo bonka twetaga abandi bana kujya mu Eishomero bitunguke bitunge enrollment pam kandi nebindi bizimbe tukayo repair kukanye n'amatsiko bwa fundraising yabo ero mpaka renovated Eishomero by'umurere.
Minister Jim Muhwezi kandi ori omnyishengero ahabwe cyangeki nagira ngo office ye nemanya abizibu eby'amashomeraga ari kugira ngo ombwire buce nibija koraho.
Echo bwenu mukingegere. Ndakujidune tinga karoteria uchi. Gayo bi kandi kabisa wasichui. Quero passar por lá. Eishomero kandi hii na nyaho ngombo yanjye ngoba abashomesa n'abishiki nabo ubone nibakozesa toiletemu nikikafuye natwe ntabwo tudonye.
Ishomero heri ya Nyamufumura primary ryinabeji bakwingana 255 kandi eri yakabura primary ryinabeji abakwingana 380. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ronald Kamanza.